Аренда жилья, ключевые термины.
The landlord.
Арендодатель.
The landlord.
The landlord.
The landlord.
A responsible tenant.
Ответственный арендатор.
A responsible tenant.
A responsible tenant.
A responsible tenant.
Security deposit.
Страховой депозит.
Security deposit.
Security deposit.
Security deposit.
Monthly rent.
Месячная арендная плата.
Monthly rent.
Monthly rent.
Monthly rent.
Utilities included.
Коммунальные услуги включены.
Utilities included.
Utilities included.
Utilities included.
To sign a lease.
Подписать договор аренды.
To sign a lease.
To sign a lease.
To sign a lease.
To renew a contract.
Продлить контракт.
To renew a contract.
To renew a contract.
To renew a contract.
An eviction notice.
Уведомление о выселении.
An eviction notice.
An eviction notice.
An eviction notice.
Furnished apartment.
Меблированная квартира.
Furnished apartment.
Furnished apartment.
Furnished apartment.
Property inspection.
Осмотр недвижимости.
Property inspection.
Property inspection.
Property inspection.
To evict a tenant.
Выселить арендатора.
To evict a tenant.
To evict a tenant.
To evict a tenant.
Subletting policy.
Правила субаренды.
Subletting policy.
Subletting policy.
Subletting policy.
Общение с властями и госучреждениями.
Submit documents.
Подать документы.
Submit documents.
Submit documents.
Submit documents.
Government office.
Государственное учреждение.
Government office.
Government office.
Government office.
Public service.
Государственная услуга.
Public service.
Public service.
Public service.
Awaiting approval.
Ожидание одобрения.
Awaiting approval.
Awaiting approval.
Awaiting approval.
A request was denied.
В запросе было отказано.
A request was denied.
A request was denied.
A request was denied.
Bureaucracy.
Бюрократия.
Bureaucracy.
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 Register at an address.
Зарегистрироваться по адресу.
Register at an address.
Register at an address.
Register at an address.
Obtain a permit.
Получить разрешение.
Obtain a permit.
Obtain a permit.
Obtain a permit.
A birth certificate.
Свидетельство о рождении.
A birth certificate.
A birth certificate.
A birth certificate.
A marriage license.
Свидетельство о браке.
A marriage license.
A marriage license.
A marriage license.
Понимание контрактов и соглашений.
Terms and conditions.
Положения и условия.
Terms and conditions.
Terms and conditions.
Terms and conditions.
Legally binding.
Юридически обязывающий.
Legally binding.
Legally binding.
Legally binding.
Read the fine print.
Читать мелкий шрифт.
Read the fine print.
Read the fine print.
Read the fine print.
A specific clause.
Определенный пункт.
A specific clause.
A specific clause.
A specific clause.
Your signature.
Ваша подпись.
Your signature.
Your signature.
Your signature.
Contract validity.
Действительность контракта.
Contract validity.
Contract validity.
Contract validity.
To terminate an agreement.
Расторгнуть соглашение.
To terminate an agreement.
To terminate an agreement.
To terminate an agreement.
A breach of contract.
Нарушение контракта.
A breach of contract.
A breach of contract.
A breach of contract.
Mutual consent.
Взаимное согласие.
Mutual consent.
Mutual consent.
Mutual consent.
Obligations and rights.
Обязательства и права.
Obligations and rights.
Obligations and rights.
Obligations and rights.
A written notice.
Письменное уведомление.
A written notice.
A written notice.
A written notice.
An addendum.
Приложение к договору.
An addendum.
An addendum.
An addendum.
Force majeure.
Форс-мажор.
Force majeure.
Force majeure.
Force majeure.
Банковские и официальные финансы.
Open a bank account.
Открыть банковский счет.
Open a bank account.
Open a bank account.
Open a bank account.
Proof of address.
Подтверждение адреса.
Proof of address.
Proof of address.
Proof of address.
Your credit history.
Ваша кредитная история.
Your credit history.
Your credit history.
Your credit history.
Transfer funds.
Перевести средства.
Transfer funds.
Transfer funds.
Transfer funds.
Apply for a loan.
Подать заявку на кредит.
Apply for a loan.
Apply for a loan.
Apply for a loan.
A mortgage.
Ипотека.
A mortgage.
A mortgage.
A mortgage.
Your account balance.
Ваш баланс счета.
Your account balance.
Your account balance.
Your account balance.
Bank statement.
Банковская выписка.
Bank statement.
Bank statement.
Bank statement.
Foreign currency.
Иностранная валюта.
Foreign currency.
Foreign currency.
Foreign currency.
Tax declaration.
Налоговая декларация.
Tax declaration.
Tax declaration.
Tax declaration.
Financial advisor.
Финансовый консультант.
Financial advisor.
Financial advisor.
Financial advisor.
Authorize a payment.
Авторизовать платеж.
Authorize a payment.
Authorize a payment.
Authorize a payment.
Inheritance tax.
Налог на наследство.
Inheritance tax.
Inheritance tax.
Inheritance tax.
Иммиграция, визы и гражданство.
Immigration officer.
Иммиграционный офицер.
Immigration officer.
Immigration officer.
Immigration officer.
Border control.
Пограничный контроль.
Border control.
Border control.
Border control.
Proof of funds.
Подтверждение средств.
Proof of funds.
Proof of funds.
Proof of funds.
Citizenship test.
Тест на гражданство.
Citizenship test.
Citizenship test.
Citizenship test.
Asylum seeker.
Проситель убежища.
Asylum seeker.
Asylum seeker.
Asylum seeker.
Deportation.
Депортация.
Deportation.
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 Valid passport.
Действительный паспорт.
Valid passport.
Valid passport.
Valid passport.
Embassy or consulate.
Посольство или консульство.
Embassy or consulate.
Embassy or consulate.
Embassy or consulate.
Biometric data.
Биометрические данные.
Biometric data.
Biometric data.
Biometric data.
Work permit.
Разрешение на работу.
Work permit.
Work permit.
Work permit.
A refugee.
Беженец.
A refugee.
A refugee.
A refugee.
Naturalization.
Натурализация.
Naturalization.
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 Право потребителей и защита.
Consumer rights.
Право потребителя.
Consumer rights.
Consumer rights.
Consumer rights.
File a complaint.
Подать жалобу.
File a complaint.
File a complaint.
File a complaint.
A valid warranty.
Действующая гарантия.
A valid warranty.
A valid warranty.
A valid warranty.
A defective item.
Бракованный товар.
A defective item.
A defective item.
A defective item.
Request a refund.
Запросить возврат денег.
Request a refund.
Request a refund.
Request a refund.
Proof of purchase.
Доказательство покупки.
Proof of purchase.
Proof of purchase.
Proof of purchase.
Misleading advertising.
Вводящая в заблуждение реклама.
Misleading advertising.
Misleading advertising.
Misleading advertising.
Product recall.
Отзыв продукта.
Product recall.
Product recall.
Product recall.
Terms of sale.
Условия продажи.
Terms of sale.
Terms of sale.
Terms of sale.
Unfair trade practice.
Недобросовестная торговая практика.
Unfair trade practice.
Unfair trade practice.
Unfair trade practice.
Юридические специалисты и судебные процессы.
A lawyer.
Адвокат.
A lawyer.
A lawyer.
A lawyer.
A notary.
Нотариус.
A notary.
A notary.
A notary.
A legal consultation.
Юридическая консультация.
A legal consultation.
A legal consultation.
A legal consultation.
Seek legal advice.
Обратиться за юридической помощью.
Seek legal advice.
Seek legal advice.
Seek legal advice.
Represent a client.
Представлять клиента.
Represent a client.
Represent a client.
Represent a client.
File a lawsuit.
Подать иск.
File a lawsuit.
File a lawsuit.
File a lawsuit.
In court.
В суде.
In court.
In court.
In court.
The prosecutor.
Прокурор.
The prosecutor.
The prosecutor.
The prosecutor.
The defendant.
Обвиняемый.
The defendant.
The defendant.
The defendant.
A witness.
Свидетель.
A witness.
A witness.
A witness.
A verdict.
Вердикт.
A verdict.
A verdict.
A verdict.
An attorney-client privilege.
Адвокатская тайна.
An attorney-client privilege.
An attorney-client privilege.
An attorney-client privilege.
To settle out of court.
Урегулировать во внесудебном порядке.
To settle out of court.
To settle out of court.
To settle out of court.
Perjury.
Лжесвидетельство.
Perjury.
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 Официальные уведомления, штрафы и взыскания.
A traffic violation.
Нарушение правил дорожного движения.
A traffic violation.
A traffic violation.
A traffic violation.
Pay a fine.
Заплатить штраф.
Pay a fine.
Pay a fine.
Pay a fine.
An official notice.
Официальное уведомление.
An official notice.
An official notice.
An official notice.
A deadline for payment.
Крайний срок оплаты.
A deadline for payment.
A deadline for payment.
A deadline for payment.
To appeal a decision.
Обжаловать решение.
To appeal a decision.
To appeal a decision.
To appeal a decision.
A late penalty.
Пеня за просрочку.
A late penalty.
A late penalty.
A late penalty.
Enforcement measures.
Меры принудительного взыскания.
Enforcement measures.
Enforcement measures.
Enforcement measures.
A subpoena.
Судебная повестка.
A subpoena.
A subpoena.
A subpoena.
Infringement notice.
Уведомление о нарушении.
Infringement notice.
Infringement notice.
Infringement notice.
Civil penalty.
Административный штраф.
Civil penalty.
Civil penalty.
Civil penalty.
To contest a charge.
Оспорить обвинение.
To contest a charge.
To contest a charge.
To contest a charge.